We're lucky as fuck today. Let me bring a bag.
I'm gonna try to jump on top of this blue thing.
It should work.
Oh.
It's so obvious, right? It's like right in the middle. But I think everybody's stupid. Drop.
You gotta drop it at the right places though.
Oh yeah.
Move
Fuck!
a little bit.
Yep.
Yep.
Cover me, man.
I am. Okay. Probably some random streamer. Probably.
Jerry Choi.
Oh yeah, it's the invitational crate. It means it's like streamer crates.
Lol. Come on, man. Come to us.
Are you running around?
Shit, yeah.
Okay.
Who's that? What the fuck? Kevin!
What? Well, you said you were running around, so I thought, oh, it was just you.
The guy had different shit. Damn, that was dangerous.
He didn't go for the bait.
The fuck? So it's not gonna work.
No, it might work. He's just.
Maybe he took already.
No, he didn't. It's still there. Are you still running around?
Yeah, it's me. It's me.
Okay. Stop walking, man.
There's a guy there. There's a guy there.
Find a spot and stop moving. I'm scared.
I saw a guy.
A guy where?
We're inside the warehouse.
Okay. Okay, stop moving. Stop moving.
Let me get in position. Yeah, I've stopped.
Alright.
It's gonna definitely check it. That's me. That's me.
Okay.
That's me.
Yep. I see them. There's one more. There's one more. To the right hand side. Oh god, I got shot.
You wanna go out and kill him?
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I killed him.
Holy shit. It worked, bro!
Yeah, he went for it.
Shit, so many AR rounds.